Welcome to Driving Thrills Today. We're exploring 10 incredible car gadgets that make driving more convenient, comfortable, and efficient. From smart storage solutions to powerful maintenance tools, these accessories are game changers for every driver. Let's dive in. Number 1. Handlebar Bag. Handlebar bag is a universal and useful accessory for those who spend a lot of time in the car. It fits most vehicles and steering wheels smaller than 15.75 inches in diameter. Because of its versatility, it can be used as a desk for work or study, a food tray, or even as a child's play table. The fixed depth pocket promotes a stable position on a steering wheel without leaving scratches, and the adjustable strap on top of the bag can be used for hanging on the back seat. Equipped with retractable straps on both sides that allow you to adjust the opening angle and height of the car table. Easily closes with a zipper for convenient storage. It also has a large pocket, such as for a water glass, and pockets for storing small items. It has a hard leather bottom that can be easily cleaned with a damp paper towel without leaving a specific odor. Number 2. Max D-Rocks Roller Tipping Trailer. The incredibly robust Max D-Rocks Roller Tipping Trailer is a unique solution for many industries, especially waste management. It helps you get more work done by serving multiple job sites. Because of its versatility, it allows you to have both a container and a platform, as well as multiple attachments for one base unit and place them in different locations. The premium powder-coated steel surface gives unrivaled durability. The 14-foot-long container provides the ability to maneuver in tight spaces, such as between yards, along streets and alleys. It has an adjustable S-shaped hitch mounted on an 8-inch I-beam. With a 45-degree tipping angle, the trailer can easily handle large loads thanks to its powerful scissor and hydraulic elevators, while the electric winch system facilitates smooth loading and unloading of contents. They can be adjusted using a wireless remote control. Number 3. Magic Creeper Mat. Easily work and move under your vehicle and on the ground with the unique Magic Creeper Mat. The zero ground clearance and unique design make it suitable for use in tight and hard-to-reach areas. The unique liner shape allows the user to move smoothly up to 5 feet, allowing for easy movement even on rough or uneven surfaces. Made of soft sponge fill and high-quality polyurethane and polyester, preventing back and body injuries when working on the ground. The outer layer is a durable fabric that is puncture, water, and oil resistant. The middle layer provides insulation and cushioning, and the super smooth inner layer reduces friction. The Magic Creeper is a durable mat that is convenient to clean and roll up, and the built-in straps make it quick and easy to secure for storage. Number 4. Gen Y Hitch. Gen Y Hitch is a great solution for safe towing that allows you to focus on the ride, forgetting about bouncing and jerking. The hitch allows you to optimize your trailer and attachments while maintaining a smooth ride. Designed for heavy-duty applications, it can handle loads from 2,500 to 4,500 tons and provides a whopping 30,000 tons of towing capacity. The automatic latching cable coupler mechanism promotes a quick and secure hitch. The innovative design improves the towing experience by eliminating shock transmission and eliminating jolts. The unit features built-in mechanical scales to measure the drawbar, providing optimal transportation efficiency, and is maintenance-free. Number 5. Fivical Men's Waterproof Roof Rack. Enhance your travel experience with the Fivical Men's Waterproof Roof Rack. It provides ample storage for all your essentials, allowing you to maximize interior space and fits most vehicles. With a 21-foot cubed capacity and a 150-pound weight limit, this spacious and durable bag provides the ability to comfortably carry 6-8 suitcases, travel bags, tents, sleeping bags, and more. The 10 reinforced adjustable straps keep the luggage carrier securely in place, while the anti-slip mat keeps the luggage bag from slipping while driving and prevents scratches on your vehicle. The accessory is great for any car, truck, or SUV, fitting quickly and easily with the 6 door hooks. Completely waterproof and impervious to extreme weather conditions, it also features a waterproof zipper and is protected by a double flap. In addition, The design provides a security lock that can prevent luggage theft. Number 6. Garvey Ramp. Take maintenance to the next level with the powerful and versatile Garvey Ramp. It's designed to withstand vehicle underbody maintenance and inspection requirements, making it a reliable choice for all occasions. Offering a maximum lifting capacity of up to 12,000 pounds, the unit provides unmatched strength and stability. The hydraulic height can be easily adjusted from 6.8 inches to 15 inches to meet a variety of service requirements. The large platform, suitable for different cars and trucks, creates an environment for safe and stable lifting. Special anti-slip surface and bottom pads contribute additional stable support, preventing unexpected slipping during use. Made of durable metal material, and the exterior is coated with rust-resistant paint to ensure durability and strength. Number 7. Track Tire Jack. Track Tire Jack is a tool that offers an innovative solution for mounting and dismounting heavy vehicle wheels. Easy to use, it easily slides onto the tire, eliminating the need for manual lifting and positioning. The wheel jack has a simple design that offers powerful functionality. The presence of a lever reduces the physical effort required to accurately position the wheel without strain. The ability to easily maneuver the transport tire not only saves time and reduces back strain, but also creates a safer working environment. Strong welded steel construction ensures exceptional durability, and the steel support roller realizes excellent support and rolling comfort, making tire manipulation smoother and more efficient. Its compact size makes it rather simple to store and transport. Number 8. Hitch Hotel Camper. Create a cozy room and bed to sleep in while you're on the road by hitching the Hitch Hotel Camper to your vehicle. It is a small, towable, weather-resistant sleeping trailer that is considered one of the most compact. Also, it can be used as a place to store things on the road. The camper has a sliding design that can comfortably accommodate 3 people. Taking up less than 3.5 feet of space, the unit expands in minutes through interior space up to 7 feet and weighs less than 1,000 pounds. Once set up, it can be detached and unfolded and is supported by 2 wheels and adjustable support legs in the front and back. Access to the interior is through a high backboard that lifts up and can be locked from the inside or outside. It has a fiberglass interior, finished in marine-grade sailcloth with soft insulation. Air movement in the cabin is maintained by a bi-directional roof fan and 3 lockable double-pane windows. A standard 60 amp-hour battery powers the fan, LED lighting, and 2 USB ports. Additional features include a memory foam mattress, battery-operated air conditioning, and a diesel heater. Number 9. Vandepak Ergonomic Chair. Maintain your posture and take care of your back with the Vandepak Ergonomic Chair. Comfortable, yet durable and soft, it makes demanding work tasks easier and safer. It has a 75-degree adjustment range and 6 fixed positions, giving you the ability to move it from a fully horizontal to a fully upright position, according to your individual needs. Powder-coated welded tubular steel construction can support up to 350 pounds. The 4 swivel wheels with heavy-duty ball bearings provide stability while providing a full range of mobility. Also, they provide quiet rolling and are resistant to chemicals, acids, alcohol, and water. Can move smoothly in all positions, which greatly reduces the strain on the whole body while working. In addition, the chair is equipped with 3 convenient tool storage trays, one in the front, one on the side, and a magnetic tray behind the backrest. There is also a handy cup holder that can be used to store a variety of accessories. Number 10. GarageVac Compact Vacuum Cleaner. GarageVac Compact Vacuum Cleaner is an appliance that saves you valuable garage space and convenient storage. Requiring only 2.5 feet of wall space, it takes minimal time to install. The unit's lightweight makes it effortless to transport and use on a boat, in an RV, in a utility room, or in a workshop. The sturdy construction can withstand even the toughest cleaning jobs. It comes with 5 different attachments to quickly and easily tackle dirt, dust, and debris, while the built-in tool basket provides organized storage for all accessories. The vacuum also features an advanced filtration system that traps dust and allergens, making any space healthier and safer. The long stretch hose can be adjusted from 8 to 35 feet, and the one-piece, height-adjustable steel tube is rust and corrosion resistant. The patented vacuum chamber design prevents the bag from buckling, so it can be filled to the top without loss of suction. That wraps up our list of 10 amazing car gadgets to enhance your driving experience. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car tech updates. See you in the next video.